Just after the turn of the century, I purchased a head planter, and she was Aphrodite. I couldn't afford her at the time, so I saved my money and hoped that she wouldn't be sold. And then I finally purchased her. And so she is very valuable to me. I first planted her with a tender sedum. I think it's called donkey's tail or something like that. It was a tender sedum that I had to winter over in my greenhouse. After which I decided to plant her with something a little more hardy, and so I took our Northwest native Sedum Cape Blanco, which has the gray leaves and then the yellow flowers. I haven't planted her for a little while, so this time, because I live in the woods and it's shaded in almost all parts almost all day long, I planted her with golden creeping jenny and a maidenhair fern. The golden creeping jenny is not going to be quite as golden as she is out in full sun, but she'll be more chartreuse. This was taken right after I planted her. I think it was 2 days after I planted her. The creeping jenny is going to look like her hair, and then the maidenhair fern will be like a headdress. Isn't she beautiful?